In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build workflows 10x faster with n8n's AI Builder. To get started, open your n8n dashboard. From the Overview tab, look to the top right and click Create Workflow. This one click spins up a brand new automation and takes you straight into the workflow editor, where you'll see a blank canvas ready for your ideas. Here, you have two ways to begin. You can add the first step manually, or you can let n8n's AI do the heavy lifting by choosing Build with AI. Manual mode is great if you already know exactly which nodes you want to use. But if you want speed and guidance, Build with AI is the fastest path. After you click Build with AI, a chat pane appears on the right side. Think of this as your co-pilot. In this pane, type a clear prompt describing what you want to automate. Include the trigger that should start the workflow, the apps or data you want to work with, and the actions you expect at the end. The more specific your instructions, the better the initial draft will be. Once you submit your prompt, n8n's AI begins assembling the workflow for you. As it builds, it will ask clarifying questions right in the chat pane and present choices to help personalize the result. Simply pick from the options it provides and add any missing details it requests. If something doesn't look quite right, refine your description in natural language. The AI will adjust the workflow structure, update node settings, and connect steps based on your answers. Keep the conversation going until everything lines up with your goals. You'll see the canvas update in real time as new steps are added and configured. Short, direct replies work well, but don't hesitate to be descriptive when the AI asks about formats, filters, or timing. A useful tip is to reference the exact event you want as a trigger and the outcome you want at the finish, so the AI can map the flow accurately. When you've provided the necessary information, your AI-generated automation will be up and running. From here, you can continue iterating in the same chat if you want tweaks, or leave it as is if it already meets your needs. And that's it. You've used n8n's AI Builder to move from an idea to a working automation in a fraction of the time, without getting bogged down in manual setup.